Hey, it's Ruben Escalante. In this week's tutorial, we'll be creating a project on Snapseed. For this project, you're going to need a profile photo of your subject in front of a white background and a secondary image of your choice. Select your first image, hit the Tools button, and then crop. And then crop your image until you get it the way you want it to look. When you're finished cropping your image, click on Tools and then Double Exposure. Now click on the photo with the plus sign and add your second image. Once you get your second image lined up where you want it, click on the stack with the arrow pointing towards the left. Now click on View Edits and Double Exposure. From here, click on the square with the paintbrush. Make sure that the eye on the bottom right hand corner is blue and the double exposure is turned all the way up to 100. Now begin painting over your subject. You should start seeing the second image show up in your main subject. The more time you focus on this step, the better your project will turn out. And if you end up going outside of the lines, just make sure to lower the double exposure till it gets to 0, then erase any unwanted lines. I'm going to fast forward through this process now. So this is what your project should look like at the end of it. As always, I'm going to end with showing you a few more examples, but just remember to have fun, and just remember the only way to get better is to create more of these projects.